Hi viewers, welcome to Akshaya Vlogs and Crafts. Today, let's see Sri Vadivalagiya Nambi Perumal Temple, which is in Trichy. This is the fifth Divya Desam of 108 temples. Thiru Anbil, Sri Vadivalagiya Nambi Perumal Temple, Trichy. Thiru Anbil or Sundaraja Perumal Temple, also called as Vadivalagiya Nambi Perumal Temple in Anbil, is a small village in the outskirts of Tiruchirappalli in the southern India state of Tamil Nadu. It is dedicated to the Hindu god Vishnu. Sri Vadivalagiya Nambi Perumal is one of the 108 Divya Desams dedicated to Lord Vishnu, who is worshipped as Sundarajan and is consort Lakshmi as Sundaravalli. This temple is also known as Pancharaga Kshetram of Lord Vishnu. Legend. As per Hindu legend, sage Sudaba was doing penance at this place. He had powers to reside both in water and land. He did not observe sage Durvasa, who was waiting for him. Durvasa got irritated and cursed Sudaba to become a frog, called Mandakam in Sanskrit. Sudaba requested Durvasa on the penance he had to do to get relieved from this curse. Durvasa explained to him that the curse was an account of the sin he had committed in his previous birth, and Vishnu would appear to him to relieve him. Sudaba, as a frog, continued his penance under the water in the Mendaka Tirtham in the temple, and Vishnu appeared to him as Sundarajan. As per another legend, Hindu god of creation, Brahma, was once of the belief that he was the most handsome individual in the planet as he had created all the human beings. Vishnu is believed to have learned this and cursed Brahma to be born as a normal person in a normal life in earth. In earth, Brahma worshipped Vishnu to get relieved from this curse. Vishnu appeared to him as a handsome young man and awed by individual's personality, Brahma inquired about his whereabouts. Vishnu revealed his true form and conveyed to Brahma that physical appearance is temporary and one has to be good at heart. Legend has it that Brahma and Valmiki worship Vishnu here. A similar legend holds at the Anbilla Lanturai Sivasthalam. Legend also has it that Manduka Muni, in his state of intense underwater penance, failed to pay his respects to the arriving Durvasa Muni, who cursed him to take up the form of a toad. Upon worshipping Vishnu at the shrine, the sage was relieved of this curse, and hence the name Manduka Pushkarini. This Anbil Sthalam is closely related to great creators. This whole world was created by Lord Brahma, and Valmiki Maharishi is a great saint, Muni, and has lots of good thoughts built in. Both these two persons are very good examples of creating good things and dedicating it to this mighty world. Based on the Kalyana Gunam, character, and Tiruvadivam, shape of Sriman Narayanan, they created good things and presented to the world. Behind this good creation is the love or Anbu in Tamil on God. So this Thalam is called as Anbil. To all the creative people, all the things they see looks good and beautiful. Like the same way, the god here is Vadivalagiya Nambi and Tayar is Alagiya Valli Nachiyar, showing Sundara Soruba Darshanam. Architecture. The Sundaraja Perumal temple is believed to have been built by the medieval Cholas of the late 8th century AD, with later contributions from Vijayanagar kings and Madurai Nayaks. The copper plate inscriptions from Anbil indicate generous contributions by the Chola kings to the temple. A granite wall surrounds the temple, enclosing all its shrine and bodies of water. The temple is located on the banks of river Kollidam. The temple is spread over an area of almost 1.5 acres of land. The main entrance of the Sundaraja Perumal temple faces the east and has an three-tiered Rajagopuram. The gateway tower The main shrine has the image of the presiding deity Sundaraja Perumal in reclining posture over his divine serpent Adisesha. The images of his consorts Sri Devi and Bhudevi Brahma are present in the sanctum. The festive image of Sundarajan Vadivalaya Nambi is housed in the sanctum. The precinct around the sanctum houses the shrines of the 12 Alvas, Narasimha, Venugopalar, Lakshmi Narasimhar, and Hanuman. The structure of the roof over the sanctum is in the form of a gopuram, which is usually a feature in gateway tower. The front hall of the sanctum has a shrine for Andal in standing posture, while the bronze idol image of her is in the seated posture. The temple tank is called Manduka Pushkarani and the Vimanam is known as Daraga Vimanam. We can reach the Sundaraja Perumal temple, which is around 15 kilometers from Sri Rangam. There are buses to Anbil from Chattiram bus stand that passes through Lalgudi. To reach the Koviladi temple, one has to travel 6 kilometers to Pundi, cross the river Koloron and travel 6 kilometers on the left to reach Anbil. Book a tour package to Sri Vadivalaya Nambi Perumal Temple, Trichy. The temple is open from morning 7 am to 12:30 pm, evening 4 pm to 8 pm. This is one of the sacred places where Lord Brahma and Lord Shiva worshipped Lord Vadivalaya Nambi Perumal and were relieved of their sins. Lord Shiva as Bhikshandaneswarar visited this temple before leaving for Tirukandiyur. Pradaksham went to Lord Brahma and Maharishi Valmiki. Festivals here are Tirthavari festivals celebrated in February or March. Vaikunta Ekadasi is celebrated in December or January. Pongal is celebrated in January. Diwali is celebrated in October or November. The temples near Anbil Sundaraja Perumal Temple is Sri Ranganatha Swami Temple, Sri Alagiya Manavala Perumal Temple, Sri Purushottaman Perumal Temple, Sri Pundarikashan Perumal Temple, Sri Appakudattan Perumal Temple, Sri Hara Sabha Vimochana Perumal Temple. Tirumissai Alvar has sung a praise in this thalam. 2417. Once when Tirumissai Alvar came here, he was teased to a great extent by the people. He thought of teaching them a lesson and sang a song on Lord Vishnu to appear on him and make the people know that he is Lord Vishnu's ardent devotee. And Lord Vishnu came out for Tirumissai Alvar and appeared here as Vadivalaya Nambi to make Tirumissai Alvar to teach them a lesson. Let us all have the darshan of this beautiful Lord and Goddess and get their blessings. Thank you, viewers. Bye bye, viewers.